Are you looking to make money online from the comfort of your own home? In this video, we'll explore 7 proven ways to generate income online. One popular method is starting a blog or website. By creating valuable content and attracting a loyal audience, you can monetize your site through advertising, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. Another way to make money online is through freelancing. If you have skills in writing, graphic design, programming, or any other field, you can offer your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Selling products online is also a lucrative option. You can start your own online store on platforms like Shopify or Etsy, or sell products through Amazon or eBay. Have you considered creating and selling online courses? If you have expertise in a specific area, you can create and sell educational content on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Affiliate marketing is another great way to make money online. By promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link, you can generate passive income. Do you have a passion for photography? You can sell your photos online through stock photography websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Have you heard of dropshipping? This method involves selling products to customers without holding any inventory. You partner with a supplier who ships the products directly to the customer. Finally, consider starting a YouTube channel. By creating videos on topics you're passionate about and building a loyal following, you can monetize your channel through ads, sponsored content, and merchandise. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to making money online. Dedicate time and effort to your chosen method and be patient as you build your online income stream. Research different online opportunities and find the method that best suits your skills and interests. Experiment with different strategies to see what works best for you. Stay updated on industry trends and changes in online platforms to optimize your earning potential. Adapt to new technologies and tools to stay ahead of the competition. Network with other online entrepreneurs and learn from their experiences. Join online communities and attend virtual events to expand your knowledge and grow your online business. Set realistic goals for your online income and track your progress regularly. Celebrate small victories and learn from setbacks to continue growing your online earnings. Invest in your online business by learning new skills, upgrading your equipment, and optimizing your website for better performance and user experience. Don't be afraid to take risks and try new things to diversify your online income streams. Keep an open mind and be willing to adapt to changing market conditions. Remember, making money online requires hard work, dedication, and persistence. Stay motivated and focused on your goals to achieve success in the online world. Take advantage of online resources and tools to enhance your online business. Use analytics to track your progress, optimize your strategies, and improve your online presence. Keep learning and growing as an online entrepreneur. Stay curious, seek out new opportunities, and never stop striving for success in the digital economy. Start implementing these 7 proven ways to make money online today and watch your online income grow. Take action, stay committed, and you'll be on your way to financial freedom in no time.